Now the size which I select, its height was 11, so the duct which I want to connect to it must be in even number. For total project, the size of duct was 2400 CFM. Estimately, we subtract 20% and another 10%, estimately 1920. How much is the size for this flow rate? 12 by 24. So I go to the 3D view and change the size. I select this, 24 by 12. I close this window. Now the duct which I want to connect it to, I don't know, I can't to connect this because I have to use two sizes lower than this to make it performable. So I use 10 for height and 10 by 14, create similar, 14 by 10 as a height. I extend it to here. I move these section planes to make some space. I move it upward, and the return diffuser must be placed near the entrance door. It is the perfect place for return diffuser. I draw duct till here to this place as a return duct. It's better to near the entrance of the space. Select the diffusers and place it here. I go to the Systems tab, then go to the Ceilings Plan Level 1 to put the air terminal exactly in its place. I go to this address. I select the supply diffuser and return diffuser. So place on face. We have two returns here. Place on face. So I will change its place later. You can hide these arrows. These are the configurations of these diffusers, or you can leave it alone. Or maybe your diffusers have the 3 inlets. For the supply diffuser, is available in the defaults of the software. I make these lines this by. You can put the diffusers near to each other. This is okay, no problem. Exactly like this. You can put each other as a twin. It depends on the design. As you're designing, maybe you have different parameters. I use this section, I move this section to here. There's no need to make another section. Go to view. For calculating the entrance of your diffusers, you can use the table which I give you, which is the standard, universal standard, or you have, if you have your table, you can use it. It depends on the designer or project manager, which is the mechanical engineer. For return, you can use this table. As a estimately we have 860, which is 18 and 18. It is big size. So the duct which I want to connect to it must be minimum 20. So I change its size to 12. I split the 860 and I divided 2, estimately 430, and so I use 12 for neck. So 18 by 18 is not performable here. Select 24 by 24 with the neck of 12. So now connect these to each other, and you can move the duct upward and then use tab key. It's better go to 3D view, which I give you a note.